Well, good afternoon everyone, it's Gary Watson from the International Fire Training Centre. Welcome to the second video update for the website, further to the one we did in July. It's a beautiful afternoon here on Teesside and I'm just outside the International Fire Training Centre enjoying the sunshine in my eyes. Thought I'd give you a quick update on some of the things, some of the important things between now and the end of the year, which I mentioned in the previous video account of what we're doing to serve the industry more effectively. So firstly, iLearn. That's our online learning tool. A lot of you have already been on the webinar, so you understand some of the applications. In summary, what we're trying to do with that is use the investment in that new technology to transfer a lot of the classroom content to an online platform. So it's words, voiceover, video footage with a very versatile assessment suite at the end of that training. This is allowing us, with the CAA approval, to reduce the amount of time that you need to spend here for the firefighter initial course from 6 weeks down to 5, with 1 week delivered online. And similarly for the supervisor initial course, instead of 100 hours here, it'll be 70 hours at the IFTC and 30 hours online. We'll be rolling out more content for iLearn through 2013, and we're taking soundings from the industry now as to which direction they'd like us to take that in. Again, just to make sure that when you come here, you get full value from the experience here, and you do as much back on the station through the online platform as possible. I mentioned previously as well about how we're looking to introduce an academic element to what we do. 2 updates on there. One is we've actually got City and Guilds here today conducting the audit, and we expect to be a fully accredited City and Guilds training centre by the end of the year, and that will help in the future with the kind of EASA assessments and expectations that they will have of UK operators. Yesterday we welcomed here the University of Wolverhampton. The intention originally was to launch a foundation degree in fire service management, but we've been taking various soundings again from the marketplace, CAA, some of the airport operators, and we're actually going to be launching a full-blown Bachelor of Science honours degree in aviation, fire and rescue. So this is a unique degree in the UK, we believe possibly even in the world, whereby coming here you'll be able to get points towards that degree should you choose to go down that route. Wolverhampton University were also describing to us how they've got a range of master's degrees in the fire sector, so anyone who does the BSc through us can then move into a master's path thereafter and really develop that kind of those professional credentials to go behind the experience and the training that you've had to date. The final thing I'd like to update you on is our webinar program. A number of you have already joined these initial webinars to understand some of the things that we're trying to do. Now obviously the webinars are just an opportunity for you while you're at your station, 1 o'clock on a lunchtime, just to join the IFTC for half an hour by sharing the screen, joining us on a conference call with your colleagues to get an update on some various bits and pieces. The 2 that we're looking to do between now and the end of the year, in November, we're hosting one about social media in emergency situations. So that'll be 15-20 minutes of a presentation, then a Q&A for you afterwards to understand how to use social media and how to be aware of the dangers of social media in an emergency situation. We'll be holding one in December as well with the University of Wolverhampton to give you the chance to understand some of the modules that we're going to be putting in that BSc honours degree, so you can help us shape that. I've already had some feedback on that through the LinkedIn group that we've got, people mentioning human factors and organisational design, and we'll be feeding this back to the University of Wolverhampton to make sure that this course that we're developing with them actually meets the industry needs. So those are some of the updates here from IFTC. I'll be back in December with another quick 2-minute slot. So once again, it's Gary Watson at the International Fire Training Centre. If anybody wants to contact me, I can be reached on 01325 333317. And until December, thanks very much indeed for your time. Bye bye.